everyone. My name is Rajnandini Gurpade from class 9B. Today I am going to represent at a seminar about the topic centripetal force, and I am going to do an activity based on this topic centripetal force. Before going to start this activity, I will go through a small story about Sir Isaac Newton. Once a day, Sir Isaac Newton was sitting under a tree. An apple fell on him. The fall of an apple made Isaac Newton think that if the earth can attract an apple, can it not attract the moon? Is the force the same between both the cases? Yes, here the force responsible is the same in both the cases. So he argued that at each point of every orbit, the force is same. And if the earth, he thought that the moon can fall towards the earth. So it must be attracted by the earth, but we do not really see the moon falling towards the earth. So let's do an activity. This activity is also explained in our science textbook at page number 100. This is 9.1 activity. The materials required for this activity is a heavier object and a thread. So let's start the activity. First, I will tie one end of this thread to the heavier object. Then I will hold the another end of the heavier object. Then I will drill it round. We have to note the motion of the heavier object. This is moving in a circular path. Then I will release the thread. Here we have to note the motion. Now, before releasing the thread, the heavier object was moving in a circular path with change in its speed and change in its direction. And change at every point, change in its speed and change in its direction at every point. Here it involves the change of acceleration and velocity. The force which is responsible for change in acceleration or velocity or change in direction with an center, then it is known as the centripetal, which means center seeking force. Here, center seeking force. The